What's your 2021 vision? Do you know? Welcome. With January coming to a close and many already losing momentum on their New Year's resolutions, it's the perfect time to reflect on what the year 2020 taught us. When we neglect to reflect on what worked for us or served us or what didn't work for us in the past, it prevents us from identifying what necessary changes we need to make moving forward. In coaching, we often hear a client share, "I feel stuck." Coming this Thursday, Hensel coaching and consulting coach Christine Iandiorio will be hosting a vision board workshop. Join Christine in this exciting opportunity for personal growth, reflection, and intention setting. In the workshop, you will use the Wheel of Life to assess several areas of your life. You will find that there are areas where you have complete satisfaction. In contrast, you will find areas that you may be lacking or completely neglected. These may be the areas that are preventing you from living the life you desire. Coach Christine will provide the tools to help you gain clarity and focus so that you can achieve what it is you set out to and to work towards an optimal 2021, whatever that looks like for you. In the description box below this video, there will be a link that will take you to a page where you can get more information and get registered for the Vision Board Workshop. Don't wait, as the workshop is this Thursday, January 28th at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The class will take place on Zoom. The workshop will be 1 hour and there will be 30 minutes following for Q&A. So expect about 90 minutes or an hour and a half for the whole entire workshop. If you cannot make the 11 o'clock but would still like to attend the workshop, please register. The class will be recorded, and for anyone who registered, whether they attend the live or not, will receive the video recording within 24 to 48 hours after the class comes to a close. When the vision is clear, the strategy is easy. Hope to see you there.